Hey everyone, Rebecca Lubart here. I'm at the Dynamic Body Pilates new 5th Avenue location. And it's not just that we have more space, we also have some fun new toys to play with, meaning that you have more options of ways to work on your body in your sessions. So I wanted to show you on our new Balanced Body Reformer Tower Combo, one of the features, which is that the foot bar can slide all the way from the foot position all the way up to the end of the carriage, which gives you more options. So I'm going to show you an exercise series that involves more stability for your shoulder girdle while working on your core and involving your legs. So here we go. I'm going to come onto my back. Oh, I also took the shoulder rest off, so I have more range of motion available that way. So from here, I'm going to grab onto the foot bar, which is now my hand bar. I'm going to bring my legs up to tabletop. And then I'm going to pull. And then coming back down, maintaining the core stability, of course. Doing that again. And then I'm going to change the rotation of my arms. This is going to work on those postural shoulder muscles right behind the shoulder. Exhale and pull, and straighten. Now this time, I'm going to pull up, I'm going to hold this position, and then I'm going to add in my toe taps. My core is trembling right now, and reaching that down. I can also do both legs, or any number of variations of the legs here. But my shoulders and my arms are working really hard with my core right now. Okay, so I'm really excited for you to come and see what this feels like. Whew, that's a doozy. It's a great one. I will see you at our 5th Avenue location real soon if you haven't been here already. And have a great week rediscovering mobility, fitness,